What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're just going to be I'm going to be showing you how to quickly take apart your Glock slide. So obviously we already have it apart here, but how to take out the striker, firing pin, the safety, etc. I actually ordered a new slide with a mounting optic MOS on it from Brownells. So I have to take out all these parts to put it on the new slide. So I figured I'd give you guys a demonstration video on how to do that. So with that, let's go ahead and get this apart. Okay, so first thing we have to do is we have to remove this back plate here. And to do so, you're going to need like a little tool. I'm going to use an Allen wrench here. You can also use any kind of like metal like stick or prod here, but it has to be small enough to fit in between right here. There's a black piece in between. This is the firing pin here, and we're actually going to be pushing that plastic black piece down. Kind of hard to do from this angle, but we're going to be pushing that down. And while we push that down, we're going to be sliding this plate off. And be careful, there are things under tension here with springs. So when you do start to push, don't let them go shooting across the room. Keep your thumb to capture them. Like I said, I'm just going to put this in between right here, and I'm going to be pushing that little black piece down right there. I just felt it go down. Then now I'm going to slide that plate like so. You can remove your tool after that. And then again, keep your thumb there because we don't want things to shoot across the room. I have the plate off now, and after I move things, here we have the other two parts as well that we can pull out. So to pull these out, I just like to grab this metal part right here, push that upward, and we can pull all that out. There's our firing pin with spring assembly. And then as well, we have right here in this hole, we have a spring and rod as well. We can set that down. And then lastly, all we need to do is take out the plunger right here with the extractor. To take this part out, all you have to do is push it down with your thumb, that plunger there, and then you can wiggle this piece out or maybe flip it upside down. There we go, and it should just pop right out like so. And then from there, that plunger, you can let go, and now that should wiggle out, or you can grab it right there, and then there is a spring on the back side of that as well. So from there, now we have everything off. You can see right here is the hole where it came from. There's our firing pin hole, and you should actually be able to see right through. And this is a good time to clean everything before you put it in a new spot, especially that firing pin. I actually cleaned this one not too long ago, so it's not too dirty. But I'd say after, 1,000 rounds or, 1,500 rounds, good idea to take it apart and clean it like so. All right, that does it for this video here today. Like I said, just wanted to disassemble it here, show you guys how to do that. I'm going to actually be putting all these parts on a new slide, the Brownells one that I said I ordered. So I probably have the other video up already on that. So if you're wondering how to put this all back together, go check that video out. More than happy to help on that. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Other than that, this was helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. And I'll have some more videos coming soon. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.